Dad almost fell. Like this. Oh, there it is. How do you open this? Hi guys! Today we're gonna get some dinosaur fossils. So we have the other big box today. So we're gonna open it. Yeah. Okay. Let's dump it out like last time. We dumped it out. It's upside down. Sorry. Oh, here's the. What's our today? What's today? What is this dino? Oh, is this destruction? Oh yeah. Yeah, our goal is to get this dinosaur right here, okay? I'm gonna show you on the camera. Right there, this dinosaur, the Mosasaurus. Which there's like something behind that looks like an alligator. Get the stools. Just fall out. Dad almost fell. Like this. There it is. How do you open this? Here, this is the place we're gonna dig. And here's the tools. Here's the tools, and we're gonna open it with this. Can you open it with this? Okay, I think over here you can like do that. It's like strong plastic. It can break. Oh. We're just gonna start opening and digging now. Okay. Okay. Just use this. Do not use anything else. Just. What? Oh yeah. Okay. Let's start chiseling this. Start chiseling it. I'm not just gonna do this. Wait. Okay, now I can chisel over. Oh, now let's chisel over here. Let's just wash this out so that we don't need. Out. Okay. Wow, there's one bone. So I think this is only random. Like you're not gonna look at the box and then you're not gonna look at the instructions and then it'll not show you. I think the dinosaur that it's inside. Okay. Wow. Oh no. We found the other bone. Woohoo! Now it's just filled with this. By the way, the wind here is so hard, so it's like winding everything away. Everything is going away here. Every stuff. Oh, we forgot this bone right here. Come on! Wow, we found more! Okay, we gotta clear this out of the way. Bye. Oh. We found the T-Rex and the other one. Right, Mom? The one here is helping. Somebody's helping me here. It's still my mom. Okay. Let me use the chisel now. Chisel. And what did you chisel? Oh, there. Let's just brush this all away. Bye-bye. Go back home. This is the other bone we found earlier. Oh, yeah.
Wait,
Whoa. Whoa, we did it. So I kind of broke it for a minute. I kind of broke it. Oh, but we found more bones there. Good thing I broke it because I found more bones. Yeah, that's the one I broke. Oh, was so scary. It scared me. Let's just shovel from the side. Let me just use the spot. So windy. Try to do this. Oh, this one is attached. Unattaching this. Look. If you ever find this dinosaur one, just use this. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, good thing we broke it though. It's like the good thing. It's like I say good thing I get. Oh my god. I forget I stepped it. Yay! Yay! Now you can remove these dust. Dust. So I kind of broke it here, and I kind of ripped it off too. Don't worry, is this a part? Oh yeah. Get out this. Get this one out. Okay, guys, I kind of did it again, and yeah, it seems to be working, but we just got hit. It's a triceratops. I report this. Look, we found triceratops. Yay! We found a triceratops. These are like big versions, though. The small version also has a triceratops. But the small version is one thing it doesn't. Well, a dog is digging under here. But what do you do with this? Do you just my feet! A dog is just oh. Yay! We got the other one out. I think. Okay. Here, guys, is the bones. We found these bones, and we got a triceratops here. Wow. Let's get all the bones. Come on, bonies. Come on, go show on the camera. This is all the bones we found. What's the size of its head? Oh, it's here. This is an easy hunt for its head. We just found it right here. Oh, yay! Yay! Yes! The T-Rex won? Yes. We did not find its other piece at its head. Oh, we found some. Yes, we got its other side. Now we just made the other parts. Stop attaching to it. There we go. We got the other side of the head. Oh, here's the other side. We can like attach these for a minute and see how cool these is. If we attach. How cool? Oh no. I think we found all the bones. Yay! Yeah. We found all the bones. Yay! Put happy things in the comments. Because we found the bones. The other one, we did not find the last bone, which is inside its head. Oh. This is a cool activity to do, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this dino video. here's the Triceratops. Look at it. So guys, be careful with this. Don't move anything too hard. One of the pieces will fall off, and your parents might have a little bit hard time putting back on. So be careful. And here's like all this rocks. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this dino video where we got the dinosaur. I hope you enjoyed, guys.